Is NCB stock finally on the rebound? I'm Kalila from Money Media, giving you money news for the Caribbean. The stock price for NCB Financial Group has taken some big swings over the last few years, but it seems like the tide is finally starting to change. For some context, back in July, NCB had its worst month since 2013, dropping 26%. But then it rebounded in August, having its best month in over a decade, wiping out most of those losses and adding gains on top. So far, September has also seen steady improvement, with the stock up about 9%.
So year to date, still down, still negative year to date. However, it's way better than it was at the lows of the year. So the lows of the year was down over 40%, wasn't doing so hot. Earnings came out. Okay, you realize that sharp move there. So earnings came out August, like August 8th, somewhere around there. When that came out, the stock price shot up.
That was corporate manager at JMMB, Leovani Dillon, speaking recently on Taking Stock. So the company's Q3 results showed that profits were up 11% in the quarter and nearly 60% for the 9-month period ended June 30. Leo pointed out that the performance would have surprised a lot of investors in a good way. So that report helped calm some fears in the market and gave investors new confidence in the bank's performance. But the big question now is, can this rebound last? Well, the sustainability of the stock price depends on the continued success of that company. So the real question is this Q3 result something that NCBFG can do again? Because part of that boost in their numbers came from a one-off sale of assets, and it's not like they can continue to sell assets forever to make money. But according to Leo, as long as NCB keeps its profits growing at a steady pace, controls costs, and keeps paying dividends, the stock is likely to continue doing well, and that's the bottom line. So what do you think of NCB's latest performance? Do you think it's sustainable? Let me know in the comments. And of course, if you want to learn how to invest in companies like NCB, go to getmoneynews.com. The link is in my bio or in the description. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.